Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about sulfonation of benzene. It is electrophilic substitution reaction, that is electrophile positive charge species attack on the benzene ring. In this reaction what happened, let's see. There are the reagents used, which are number 1 benzene, number 2 this is benzene, number 2 concentrated sulfuric acid and fuming sulfuric acid H2SO4 are required. Now we see the reaction. Now let's see the reaction. Whole reaction is when benzene react with concentrated sulfuric acid and fuming sulfuric acid. What is fuming sulfuric acid? Fuming sulfuric acid contain concentrated sulfuric acid and vapors of, and it has vapors of sulfur trioxide. That means fuming sulfuric acid contains concentrated sulfuric acid and vapors of sulfur trioxide. Due to this it becomes very concentrated and it forms sulfobenzene This is called sulfobenzene. When sulfo group attached to the benzene ring, this is called sulfobenzene. Now let's see the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction is step 1. First step is generation of electrophile, that is E positive electrophile. The electrophile form here is sulfonium ion. This is called sulfonium ion. How this electrophile is formed, let's see here. We take this sulfonating mixture. This is called sulfonating mixture. We take here sulfonating mixture, that is when we take concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 concentrated H2SO4 with fuming sulfuric acid. We take fuming sulfuric acid, and concentrated sulfuric acid. We can write the sulfuric acid like this. This oxygen contains 2 lone pairs of electron, and this sulfuric acid, it is become very strong sulfuric acid in comparison of this concentrated sulfuric acid. So it's break into H plus and HSO4, HSO4, HSO4 minus. Fuming sulfuric acid is become very concentrated due to the fuming sulfuric acid, and it releases H plus ion very fast in comparison with concentrated sulfuric acid. So here we use fuming sulfuric acid. This fuming sulfuric acid, this acid we can write here like HOSO3H. We can see that this proton is released from here and we get a negative charge on this. So this proton, when released from here, it takes electron present on the oxygen and it attached to this oxygen. When this hydrogen is attached to this oxygen, a positive charge comes on this oxygen and it forms a product. It forms a compound like this. Because H ion takes lone pair electron, so this oxygen gets positive charge, and due to positive charge it attracts, it breaks, this bond breaks from here, and it neutrals this positive charge, and a positive charge come on the sulfur. The second reason is that oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur, so this bond break from here, we get water from here and get SO3H plus. This is called electrolyte. Sulfonium ion. When this sulfonium ion is formed, it attack on the benzene ring. How it attack on the benzene ring? Now we see the step second. Step second is attack of electrophile. What is the electrophile? SO3 plus SO3H, sulfonium ion. Attack on benzene ring. How it is attacked? Let's we see how it is attacked. Let's we see. Benzene when SO3H comes in contact with benzene, this pi electron shift from here, and this carbon gets negative charge and this carbon gets positive charge. When this carbon gets negative charge, this positive charge nucleophile attack, this electrophile attack on this benzene ring, and the structure is formed. See, benzene, this bond shift here, so there is a positive charge come and SO3H attached on this carbon, and our hydrogen is also present on this carbon, and our double bond here and a double bond is here. When electrophile attack on benzene ring, this benzene ring become non-aromatic because it lost its aromatic character. Due to this carbon become sp3 hybridized carbon, because this carbon has 4 single bond, so this carbon become sp3 hybridized. Now due to retain their aromatic character, this benzene sulfonating benzene, this compounds show following resonating structure. These are, now see, this double bond comes here to neutralize this positive charge, and a double bond is formed here. Let's we see the next structure. What will be, this bond comes here, and due to this here a positive charge come here, and this is a double bond, and a group is present here, and a hydrogen is present here. To neutralize this positive charge, this double bond shift here, and it neutralize this positive charge and form a double bond here. So in the next structure, a positive charge come on this carbon here. Let's see the next structure. The next structure is a positive charge come here, and this double bond shift here, and there is a double bond also, and SO3 H, and H is present here. To neutralize this positive charge, a proton is released from here, and this bond is shift here, and it forms a double bond here. Now we see the next structure is double bond formed here, and a double bond present, and a double bond present here. SO3 is present here, and this hydrogen is lost. Now we get sulfobenzene here, and the third step is regeneration of H2SO4. Now let's we take this structure. A proton released from here, a proton is released from this here. We take this proton here, and the HSO4, let's see, HSO4 is formed here. We take this HSO4 minus, react with this H plus, and it forms H2SO4, and now H2SO4 sulfuric acid regenerate here. Now this reaction of sulfonation of benzene is completed. Now let's we see the short trick of this reaction. Let's see. We can write a benzene like this, and we can write sulfonic acid like this, sulfuric acid like this. Here we release a water molecule from here. Now we get SO3H is attack on this benzene ring, and it forms SO3H. This is short tricks for sulfonation of benzene. Here sulfobenzene या benzene sulfonic acid is formed. This is called sulfobenzene. Now guys, this sulfonation of benzene is finished here. If you like my video, please subscribe my video and like my video. If you subscribe my video, then you will get my new videos. So guys, thank you very much.